Hello guys, come with me as I drive around Arochukwu in Abia State. Arochukwu is the third largest town in Abia State after Aba and Umuahia in the southeastern part of Nigeria. The city, consisting of 19 villages, is about 120 km from Umuahia and shares common boundary with Ohafia and Akwa Ibom states. Arochukwu is noted for its richness in stable foods and artifacts, a cultural value which has enrolled the city as one of the tourist attractions Abia State can boast of. Arochukwu is a historic town and the homeland of the Aro people, known for its rich cultural heritage and tourist sites like the long Juju Shrine, Ibini Ukpabi, and slave routes. It is the headquarters of the Aro Confederacy and maintains a monarchical system of government led by the Eze Aro. The town played a significant role in the 18th and 19th centuries and is one of the last towns in the Southern Protectorate to be conquered by the British. Arochukwu is one of the few existing kingdoms not only in Nigeria but in Africa as a whole. It still practices the monarchical system of government like I earlier mentioned. A few personalities have their roots in Arochukwu, such as the late educationist Mazi Alvan Ikoku and the football sensation Nwankwo Kanu, who played for the likes of Ajax and Arsenal in the European football leagues. Arochukwu is in the Abia North Senatorial District of Abia State. It is composed of 5 clans, namely Abam, Aro, Ihechiowa, Otutu, and Isu. Arochukwu is a principal historic town in Igbo land. It was also one of the cities in the Southern Protectorate targeted by the British colonial government. Several historic sites exist in Arochukwu which draws a lot of tourists to this town. It is also in the food belt of Abia State, where most of the food where me and you the chop, where from they come. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think about Arochukwu in the comment section.